To customize lock screen on Redmi A7 Pro, first we can open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to personalization over here. Once you open personalization, then you should be able to tap on the lock screen over here, and you can start customizing it. So for example, over here we can tap on any of these information that we have in here. So we can tap, for example, on the date, and you can decide what information should be actually displayed on here on this section. You can tap on the clock in order to customize the clock. So we have a couple of different clock faces and styles that we can use. We can also go to font in order to find some additional options, which of course also depend on the choice of the face clock as well, because in some cases you can only change the color, and in some cases you can change the font itself. Besides that, we have the signature section, at least in this specific case, so we should be able to write any phrase we want to be visible on the lock screen. We have effects option available, or effects menu, so you can apply any of these effects. We can also adjust the wallpaper, so you can zoom in and zoom out by using the pinching gesture, and you can use 2 fingers in order to move the wallpaper around. And if you are done with the customization, you can use the apply button in the upper right corner over here. You might also see this revamp your lock screen option, which tries to suggest you to, or it just simply suggests you to try wallpaper carousel, which is a feature that changes the lock screen wallpaper every time you open the lock screen. Personally, I don't like this feature, so I never use it, but if you want to try it out, of course, feel free to do so. But besides that, you can also go to the lock style, and over here you can find many different styles or presets for the lock screen. So you can start from here, you can pick any of these presets and you can tap on customize in order to start using it. And then from that point, you can just choose how you want your lock screen to look like. So that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.